you like to know, weather girl?
Hey guys, this is our last day out here. It's hot, the waves are good, but it's pulling you on. You gotta be focused if you wanna. We drifted a sea. We drifted and we're out in the middle of the ocean. Like, I can't stand it. It's crazy. Hopefully we survive out here. Okay, see ya. Guys, today's our last day at the Outer Banks. It was sunny, it was hot, the waves were good. Here's a random pedestrian. How were the waves today?
What did you like to know, weather girl?
Okay, well that was rude. They were good. Sad to say this is our last day, but we will be seeing you next year. Beach Vacation 2022.
Oh, it's a video. It's a video?